It's nice to see you today. My name is Jenny Rose, but you can call me Teacher Jenny. I am 24 years old and I am from the beautiful country, Philippines. I am currently a third-year college student pursuing my Bachelor in Secondary Education major in English. And I have gained teaching experience through classroom observation and practice teaching activities at my university. During this session, I assisted teachers, guided students in a class activities, and helped explain lessons in a simple and engaging way. These experiences have strengthened my patience, communication skills, and ability to adopt conversation with easy-to-understand explanation. I also make sure that my students feel comfortable, supported, and encouraged in every class. I also love to create a fun, friendly, and patient learning environment where mistakes are welcome. Because that's how we learn. So are you ready to learn? Come and join me and let's reach your English goals together. See you in my class!